Hello guys, this is day 22 and yesterday if you remember I talked about the planning. So I take this little serious and actually I make a planning for only 7 days for now. So first I want to show you my computer screen and I will show you like how I am doing my planning. So I took help of Chat GPT and first I show you like what I have a conversation with that. Da, da, da. Okay, so let me switch the camera to my computer screen. So okay, so like this is the let me show you from the very beginning where I put the question. So like yesterday I talk about Gita classes, so I just you know talk this with ChatGPT also too. I need some planning, so it said ki well done. We should like working on a plan. So first I ask like I write this line. So please correct the grammar. So this is the correct version of grammar, and you can see my original version. Then it's correction. Like I went in Gita class. So this is wrong. So correct is I went to Gita class. I went to Gita class, not in. So like I teacher talked, not talk. So these like I am working. So I have been working on my communication skills. So these are the correction gave by ChatGPT, and it's a good. Then it's give me a, some plan. You can see like a weekly plan for 30 to 40 minutes. So like I have another conversation with the ChatGPT, and finally it's gave me a PDF which I show you right now. So it has a 60-day communication plan. So it's a day one, and you can see like first according to this, because chat gpt is know all about my english, like what is my level, like how I need to learn, and how much I need to learn. So like it has all the idea. So you can see like it's gave me the 5 minute task to watch some tutorial on YouTube on a and the articles, like the use of articles. So I already saw that. So this is the video for that. क्रिकेटर के विराट कोहली क्या है, एक आउटस्टैंडिंग क्रिकेटर है, यानी जितने भी आउटस्टैंडिंग क्रिकेटर है now I will complete this all. Okay, so I saw an angle. She bought an orange. I returned the book you gave me. So I have done, like I will done all this thing, and now the task is I need to talk 1 minute why I want to improve my English. So let's complete the task right now. Okay. So this is the camera. So my topic is I need to talk on why I want to improve my communication plan. So I think question is very easy and at the same time it's very important. The first and very straightforward answer is I am working on it because I need this and I feel I am lacking on it. Like if someone has a good communication or good presentation skills, it means you have a big extra edge in your career. For me, like I got very frequently feedbacking GS, you need to work on your communication skills. So that's why I'm here, or that's why I'm making these videos, like I'm showing my journey to you, like like how I am improving day by day. So this is the one reason, professional growth, as well as like my son is studying in a very good school. So when I go there, when I go to his school, so I feel some corner ki like I'm not that confident to part of that communication. And the same feeling I have in my office environment also, because in my office like everyone has a great English background. I'm not kidding, guys. Like they people use, uh, they people use 90% English or 10% Hindi or other language. Like touch wood, like I have a very good environment, but like I have to go only once in an office because as per my company policy. So I think I need to talk only 1 minute, yeah, but I can speak on this topic maybe unlimitedly. So now, again, it has a one vocabulary task. So my word is consistent. So yeah, I try to be consistent as much as possible. So as you already know, I started this communication journey from last year, 2024. I remember the date also. The date was 9th Jan 2024 when I started my journey, and I, took or I subscribed lot of plans. Then plan in maybe I reveal in another video. Okay, so from Jan 24 to till now, today is like we are in June of this month. Maybe you this video come later because first I making a bank of my videos, and after that I will after that I will doing uploading on YouTube. So basically, I'm doing this as a journey as a in a planning. So this that's how I am maintain the consistency. So my word is consistent. So this word I use maybe 2 or 3 days because I I give target 3 word per week, like not 1 day or like 5 days, 5 word meaning per day, or 2 word meaning per day, or 1 meaning per day. No, I give myself is a very easy task, which is 2 to 3 word per week. There's a logic behind it, which I will explain in next video or maybe some another video. I think that's it for today. Like I have to do my practice also and reading also, so that I will do separately for this video, for this blog. Enough for today. So guys, bye bye. Do like and subscribe my videos, my channel, comment, suggestion. You feel bad, you feel like whatever you feel, please comment in the you just drop your comment on the comment box. And if you like the video, we grow together. So yeah, happy learning. Bye bye.